Hey, what's up? We're gonna be indexing contents of an array. Let me put just a header. More on arrays! Yay! Okay, little smiley guy with a D. So we're gonna index contents using, the index commands. So, array name and then index. And we're going to be splicing, which is your array name. I don't like using like weird syntax to like say what the syntax would be, but it's kind of weird. But I'm trying, man. I'm trying. Okay. So array name, and then you'd have brackets. So yeah, this just sucks. So I'm just gonna put array name. Array name dot index, and you'd have like that for your splicing, and then we're gonna do shuffling and sorting. Let's get started. Let's just start with an array using just like the alphabet. J K L M N O P Q R S W X Y Z. Okay. And comma it up. Let's go on the left side. Should be faster this way. Yeah, because the other way you'd have to go past the comma you just put it in. So that wouldn't make any sense. As you can see, I was doing stuff with this earlier, so I am a pro. Not really a pro, but I've tried to figure it out to the point where I can kind of teach it, but not really, and confuse everyone. Because I suck at teaching. And that's how I roll. Sorry, guys. Alright. Voila, we have our array with our see, I already did a video and it sucked, so I'm doing another one. Alright, so first thing we're gonna do is go into Python, and we're going to make our array. So ABC is equal to this. And then what we're going to do is we're going to index contents. So where is the index? What is the index number of one of these elements? So let's find the index of J. I don't know why, but I don't know what J is, so let's figure it out. So abc.index and then J. Alright, it's 9. Alright, say we want to override J through, I don't know, D through J. So I want to remove those contents from here to here. So we're going to use splicing, and if you don't remember what splicing is, you pretty much go like this. And let's say we just wanted like 0 to 3. It'll left bound your A, and then 0, 1, 2, 3. We'll left bound that, and it should print off ABC. And we just splice that. But for some reason, I want to do E through J now. I don't know why. I'm spontaneous. So let's index AB index of E and K for the other one. C dot index and then K, and it should do the index numbers of both those. Should go E through J like I wanted. And then we want to set those equal to blank because we are squares. Okay, so now that's how you remove contents, and I am so not following this. I haven't even done sort or shuffle, but whatever. We can do that now. We'll do shuffle and a sort. For shuffling, what you have to do is you have to import your random module, and then just say random dot shuffle, and then your array name. So in this case, it's ABC, and then that'll actually make that equal to it. You don't have to set equal. The actual function does that. And then if you want to sort it back via alphabetical order, then what you do is you say ABC, dot, and then sort, empty parameters, I think, and then voila, we got that. Alright, now what we want to do, we already did removing. Overriding is the same thing, but let's just do it. Alright, ABC, and then let's splice some stuff. So abc.index to abc.index, and what do we want to go to? How about, I don't know, D to D to L. Alright, so that's really just DK. Haha, DK, okay. And we're gonna set that equal to I don't know, DE. Okay, sure, why not? Okay, so now we have ABC, and now rather than DK, it'll go DE, which I don't know if that's the best example because it override D with D, but I think I pretty much did that all right. Now let's insert contents. So in between E and L, I want what was originally there. So I think I want these guys right here, E to K, and no L, and that should give me everybody back. So what you do is you want to find out where this point is right here. So where would that be? That would be this, the number of this content, because that left bound's right here if you find that content. So let's go abc.index of L. Oh, okay, so it's 5. Well, what we want to do is we want to splice ABC, and then put 5 for both of them. So 5, left bound 5, and left bound 5. So it's going, oh, it's right here, okay. So then we want that equal to those guys, and okay, so ABC. That looks good to me. A B C D F G H I J K L M N O P Q R S T V W X Y and Z. So we inserted, which is the last thing we did. So right in between something, we removed, we overrided, we sorted, and we shuffled, and we spliced, and then we also did finding index numbers. So I don't know if I should call it index contents, because I would think that would more be like let's call number 5, but I think you guys get what I mean. I was calling the index of like a certain content, like L, which is 11 now instead of 5, which is better as far as the alphabet goes. So that's it for now. Peace.